Hello students, again I Anjum Bhati Nirban welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. As you all know, we have completed our chapter, we have read our chapter which is The Shoemaker. Okay, today we are going to do question answers along with word meanings. Okay, so let's get started. Very first word meaning is Monsieur, a title or form of address used to address a French speaking man. Means Monsieur means it is used to address a man who belongs to France. Okay. Confinement, the state of being forced to stay in a closed space or person. Prison, sorry. Garret, top floor. Garret means top floor. Raggedly worn out. Next is withered. Withered means wrinkled. Now, students, you have to concentrate over here that withered, it is a past form. That's why we'll write the answer in past form also. Okay, withered past form, wrinkled also past form. Canvas frock, clothing of coarse material. Okay, tatters, a torn piece of clothing. Seclusion, being private and away from people. Next is vagrancy, homelessness. Next, soon, faint, haggard, exhausted, and unwell. Next is lapsed, means no longer valid, not available. Okay. Next is reverting, going back. Obliterated. Now here you need to change it. It is obliterated. Sorry, obliterated means destroyed. Obliterated means destroyed. Next is overclouded, dark or gloomy. Overclouded means dark or gloomy. Last one is abstraction, which means state of being lost in thought. Okay, class? So we have completed our word meanings. Now it's time to do question answers. Very first question is, what was the shoemaker doing when Defarge entered the room? It is a time, it is asking that what was the shoemaker doing when Defarge entered the room? So the answer is the shoemaker was making shoes when Defarge entered the room. Next question is, how did the shoemaker react to more light in the room? Why do you think he reacted the way he did? The shoemaker was confused and he looked here and there when more light entered the room. As you all know, when Defarge entered the room, he just needed the light. Okay, and when the light came from somewhere, so the shoemaker was very confused. This is due to the fact that he had been in the dark for a long time. So we can say that we can assume that it was very confusing him because he had been in dark for a long time and had forgotten to associate the different objects, mean different figures, different objects in the room with their respective locations. He forgot everything. He has forgotten everything. Question number 3 is, when asked for his name, he says 105 North Tower. What do you gather from this reply? Now, what is this? He has forgotten who he is and has got used to telling his name as the number of his sale. As I have told you, it is his presence number. The number was 105 North Tower. Question number 4 is, what do you think was the reason for the old man to lapse into forgetfulness so often? So the answer is, the old man had been living in seclusion for so long that he was no longer of a same mind, which explains his frequent forgetfulness. Okay, it is all about that कि वो बिल्कुल हमेशा से अकेला रहता आ रहा है, इसलिए वो सब कुछ भूल चुका है. Question number 5 is, who was the young lady? How did the shoemaker react when he saw her? Now, who was the young lady? As you all know, the young lady was the shoemaker's daughter. The shoemaker was startled by her presence. First, he surprised, okay, at first, but then he forgot all about it. First, he trying to remember him, recognize her, but after a few minutes, he forgot everything, all about her, and got back to his work. और वापस क्या करने लग गया? अपना work करने लग गया. Now, class, next question is reference to the context. We have given the line. According to this line, we have to give answer. Okay. Very first line is Monsieur Manette, do you remember nothing of me? Now this line is from our book, our chapter. So question related to it: who is the speaker? Now, who told this line? The speaker is Mr. Lorry, who is a friend of the shoemaker. Monsieur Manette, उसने पूछा था, Monsieur Manette, do you remember nothing about me? So who asked this? Lorry. Okay. Second question is, who is Monsieur Manette here? The old shoemaker is Monsieur Manette here. Okay. Why does Manette drop the shoe? He dropped the shoe because he is startled. Okay, वो बिल्कुल startle हो गया था, इसलिए उसने shoe को drop कर दिया उसकी बात सुनते ही. Second number is, question number 2 is, yes, for a moment, at first I thought it's quite hopeless, but I have unquestionably seen for single moment the face that I once knew so well. Hush, let us draw further back. Hush. Now you remember, guys, that the two person were talking about Monza Manet here, and that two person were Defarge and Mr. Lorry. Okay, who says these words? Means किसने कहे ये words? Mr. Lorry says these words. Why does he think it was hopeless? Mr. Lorry ने ऐसा क्यों सोचा कि ये hopeless thing है? He thought it was hopeless as he believed that the old man had lost his mind. Because उसे पता चल गया था कि the shoemaker or the old man had lost his mind totally. Okay, whose face does he recognize? Now, here the speaker is talking about Mr. Lorry, that Mr. Lorry, whose face does Mr. Lorry recognize? He recognizes the face of his old employer, Monsieur Manet, who was shoemaker. Okay, तो Mr. Lorry किसको recognize कर गया था? Monsieur Manet को, but Monsieur Manet ने उसको recognize नहीं किया था. Okay, class, that's all for today. We have completed our question answers. In our next video, we will do book exercise. Till then, learn them. Bye bye.